Vertical video, IGTV video, video for Instagram is underestimated content that brands and businesses should use. I'll tell you 5 ways you can use IGTV video for your brand. Keep up watching. Hi, my name is Tami and I'm doing marketing for you guys should flourish from Instagram the best way you can. Use IGTV video for promoting your stuff, for tutorials, educational videos, IGTV, Instagram, television that everybody can have on their hands in your phone when you have Instagram account. The first way you can use your Instagram IGTV is that you record from 15 seconds to 10 minutes, and if you are verified account or you have up to or even more than 2,000 followers, you can use more, up to 60 minutes video. But believe me, anyone will look that long. You can use your telephone to record video from 15 seconds to 10 minutes to promote your brand, but in a very nice way. And the first way you can use IGTV is that you record a video, you put into description your web link. So that's why in your IGTV video you can ask your followers to click on the arrow and to click on the link that is in the description. And think about hashtags, because hashtags are also very important stuff being searchable for the IGTV video. The second way is that you can promote your IGTV video on different segments in Instagram. One of them is the story, so you don't have to pay promotion or to have more than 10,000 followers in order to have the swipe up function. You can have swipe up with adding the IGTV video. So stories has 15 minutes or one picture, and with the symbol of chain you can add IGTV video and you have place to sell, longer space to sell what you want, your branded content, your message content, your affiliate content. This is a place for you to use. And moreover, Instagram offers even the caption you can put into your Instagram video. You have also placement where you can put your video to your feed, to your stories, to IGTV, and you can repost it to the Facebook. What's nice about the IGTV video is that you can copy a link of your IGTV video and put it, embed it to your webpage. And the news and the stuff that I'm very fascinated about is that very soon you would be able to sponsor, to promote your IGTV video. And the thing that is very usable, especially for brands and influencers, is that you can put branded or tag a brand or put branded content on your IGTV video, and very soon you brands, my dear brands, you can sponsor that video and take maximum of visibility and awareness across the Instagram. Hope this video was very useful for you, and now you have reasons to make your own IGTV video. I am Tami, this is Instapresso, and if you would like to stay tuned for Instagram and use Instagram for monetization of your blog or your account, keep watching.